everyone, my name is Mr. Matt and I love to play football, but I need gear to play football. Let's have a look and see what we can find. Look at this. Wow, look at this cool bag. It's even got my name written on. Look, Mr. Matt. So cool. Shall we see what's in the bag? Yeah. Oh, it's like Christmas. What's inside? What's inside? Oh, no. The bag is empty. Oh, no. What am I going to do with no football gear? Got it. Can you help me look around my garden and look for all the football gear? Yes! All right, let's go and see what we can find. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's have a look what's in the barbecue. I can hear something and I can smell something cooking. Oh, Mamma mia, look at the spicy meatball. Fantastico, yes, a meatball. No, Mr. Matt, that's not a meatball. It's a football. Wowie. Boing, boing. Fantastic. Let me put this in my bag. Yes, I've always wanted a football. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh, it's so bright. Look over there. Oh my goodness. I need to put on my glasses. Wow, look at these colours. They're fluoro. Fluoro orange and fluoro green. But what are they? I think I've got it. I think this is a wiggly tail. Right? No. These are bibs, and we wear them when we play football. Fantastic. 1, 2. Yes. Into my bag, and let's go and find some more. Let's go. Wow, what is over there? Look at this. Whoa. I'm not sure what it is, but it's the colour blue. Mr. Matt, Mr. Matt, it's Mr. Matt. Mr. Matt, this isn't a microphone. It's a drinks bottle. Yummy water. Fantastic. I'm going to take off my glasses. Oh, hello. Now, what else can we find in the garden? Let's have a look. Can you see something orange? Wow. Let's lift up the lid. What is it? Oh, ooh. Interesting. It's got a little lever here. Let's see what sound it makes. Listen really carefully. Wow, what is that noise? Oh, whoa! What is it? I know, it's a ball pump. We use this to pump up our footballs. I'm gonna need this. Very, very useful. Pop it in the bag, pop the lid on top, and let's continue on our journey. Come on. Ooh. It looks like here we've got a bit of a treasure chest. Let's use our doggy claws and let's see if we can dig and find what's inside. Ready? Dig, 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 dig. Woof, woof. Dig, 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 dig. Wow, come here. Look at this. Wow, what is it? I think I know what it is. Can you hear something? Oh, what's ringing? Wow! No, Mr. Matt, these aren't mobile phones. These are called shin pads. And look, let me show you how to put them on. One goes on your right leg. They're very special. They're there to protect your shins when you're playing football. And let's pull up your socks. And let's put one on Mr. Matt's left leg. Ooh, these are so cool. Now I feel like I'm a big football player. Great. But there's still more things to find. Let's continue. Oh, wow. Look, everyone. What are these things? Whoa. There's some strange shapes. Let's see what colors there are. Yellow, white, and orange. But what are they? Are they headphones? I can hear the music. No, you can't hear the music, Mr. Matt. These are not headphones. These are cones. And we're going to use lots of these when we're playing our football games. Fantastic. Let me put these inside my bag. And let's continue. There's one more thing to find. Have a look. Can you see anything else in my garden? Can you see what's in the plant pot? Let's have a closer look. Wow, look at these. So cool. These are special football boots. Wow. And can you see? They've got special studs at the bottom. Fantastic. We've got one and we've got two inside the bag. Wow. I've got such a heavy bag. Come and have a look at what Mr. Matt's got. Wow. Can you remember what Mr. Matt found in his garden? We've got one white ball. We've got lots of different cones. We've got, whoa, so bright bibs. We've got one blue water bottle. We've got two football boots. And we've got one orange pump. Fantastic. I'm gonna put all of these things in my bag and we are gonna play lots of games together. Fantastic. Right, well now I've got a full bag. Join me next time for lots of football fun for kids. See you later.
Mr. Matt, it's time for Mr. Matt. He's the coach with the orange hat. It's time for Mr. Matt.
Hey mums and dads, Mr. Matt here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more football fun for kids.